Alright, welcome back to our word sort videos. Sorry about that, trying to get my screen on pointer. There we go. Just like you, getting used to watching the videos, I have to get used to making the videos. So bear with me for a second. First thing that we do in this video is we read the words. So let's look here. We've got greed, field, theme, vein, creek. Are you reading with me? Chief, scene, cheese, speech, peace, these, friend, niece, thief, and geese. All right, I keep on hearing a vowel sound throughout most of those words, and that vowel is what? You got it. The middle vowel is long E. It kind of gives you it away with the title of this video. Less common long E sounds. Okay, so we've got less common long E. So what do we see as our spelling pattern as less common? Well, we see EE in the middle here in greed. And we know that's first vowel does the talking, second vowel does the walking. But we kind of learned that our most common long E's would be a magic E at the end of the word or an EA together. Yeah, that's right. EA together is more common than EE. So in fact, EE is less common. So let's move greed up here because I do hear that long E in the middle of greed. And then I'm going to go below to field. Field. Whoa, 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 whoa. I thought first vowel does the talking and second vowel does the walking. That means the I should be talking and that E should be silent. This word should say filed. But, like I said, this is a less common way to make the long E sound. But while you're reading in your stories, in your books, in your newspapers, in your articles, in your passages, you need to be able to decode words. So you might want to say, okay, I'm reading a story and it says the, and then you come across this word, Field, was filled with beautiful flowers. Now let's, break this word down. Well, where was I? Miss Emanuel decided to call me on the intercom, so I had to press pause. So it was something like, we have a blank of beautiful flowers. So if we decode this word using the first vowel does the talking and second vowel does the walking, does it make sense saying the field was filled of beautiful flowers? Of course not. You'd kind of stop and say the field. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to decode and say, okay, sometimes this IE makes the long E sound. Field. The field is full of beautiful flowers. Why, of course, now that makes sense. It's just a less common. Then we have theme. Oh, we're back to that magic E at the M. Theme. Okay, so we put it over there. So now we've got our three rules. We've got our EE to make the long E sound in the middle of a word. So this line meaning there's letters before, this line meaning there's letters after. We've got the IE in the middle of a word. And then, of course, we have the magic E. All right, so we've got these three rules making the long vowel E sound. So every single one of these words should say E in the middle. Let's check. Vein. Did you hear that? Vein. E-I-E, long E. This doesn't follow any of our rules. We just found an, you got it, oddball. So if we use the rule and we say, okay, I've got E first, so it should say First vowel does the talking, second vowel does the walking. This should say veen. But again, remember, in context, we would read something like, my vein on my wrist is really blue. And you would read, my vein on my wrist? That doesn't make sense. I'm going to decode it and find my oddball and try the vein. So this is an oddball because it doesn't follow any of our rules. And it is, it doesn't even make a long E sound. All right, we've got the next word, creek. And we have the medial EE. First vowel does the talking, second does the walking. Creek. What is this word? Okay, pretend you were going to sort it. Touch the screen, chief, and point to where should I put it? Here? Here? Yep, you got it. Chief moves up here. That IE, it's uncommon, but sure enough, IE sometimes makes the long E sound. These, that magic E on the end. Seen, another magic E. Friend. Whoa, for end. Well, hold on. I'm listening for a long E sound. E. Now, it does have an IE, but instead of saying a long E sound, it actually makes the short E sound. For end. Friend. So, this is an oddball. It is not even first vowel does the talking, second does the walking. It's not our less common long E. It is a short E sound. So that's what makes it an oddball. So we're going to put it over here in our oddballs. All right. And then we have cheese. And not only is this a double E, but there is a magic E at the end. So I'm going to put it over here, magic E. Niece, there's that uncommon IE, niece. Speech, two E's together. First vowel does the talking, second does the walking. Thief, where does that one go? You got it. Peace, we've got not only the IE, but a magic E at the end. Where should we put it? Let's put it over here because that doesn't follow the E in the middle. That's the IE. And then we've got geese. All right, so we've got kind of a lot of things going on here, but basically, again, learning these less common vowel practices will help you in your decoding while you're reading. So having you aware and practicing with these words will help you with decoding other words. Those other words are what we call our bonus words. So can you think of any words that have an EE in the middle, like greed, creek, and speech? Can you think of a IE that makes the long E sound in the middle? I'll give you a hint. I'll even give you one of each. That way for your homework, you could have a bonus word given by Miss Campbell. All right, greed, creek, speech. What do you think? We'll make it red. Speech. What about need? Very good. Need. Here, what about I carry a briefcase? Okay, there's a good bonus word. And a long vowel E. Let's see. It might be, help me out. This one's a tough one. Oh, I think you remember. When we said, I believe it was Miss Ava who said, oh, well, we don't even need to have a letter here in front. What if we had the word Eve? Eve. And then Dominic said, yeah, like New Year's Eve. So you already came up with some of your own bonus words. All right, let's get down to it. When you have to write the rules for homework, let's look. I will speak slowly so you could write it down. All right, E-E. This makes the long vowel E by the first vowel does the talking and the second vowel does the walking. So that's the E-E. I-E. I-E sometimes makes the long vowel E sound. It does not follow the rule and is a less common way to make a long E sound. Now our E consonant E, again, is back to the same old standard. The magic E at the end of the word makes the vowel say its name. That's how we get the long E. So guys, in this short little video, you have not only your words sorted correctly, here are your bonus words, some examples of your bonus words, your oddballs, and the rules. All right, you got it. Now it's time for you to do the work.